Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Alam nyo, meron akong nakita and this is very intriguing ha. Well, it's something to look forward to. So meron akong nakitang Facebook post na si Maribank, yung card niya ay soon na parang magiging dual purpose like a credit card or something. Asking these questions like an individual ha. Like when I saw that post, si Maribank magkakaroon ng credit card? Or ano ba to? Or magkakaroon ng additional product? Kaya gusto itong pag-usapan guys because I personally am looking forward to products like this as well because I talk about online loan platforms and utang platforms in this channel. Kaya pag-usapan natin to. So keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here at Tito Ola. Online loan platforms, digital loan platforms from digital banks. Yung pinag-uusapan natin. And before I get into trouble, okay guys, before I get into trouble, nakita ko lang po yung post na to sa Facebook, which is from Lemonade, which is a financial growth Facebook page. At nakaka-intrigue. So therefore, this video, kasi wala pa naman akong other materials na makita to verify this, is purely chika or speculative or wishful thinking from someone na galing sa Ola. Kasi yung mga ganitong products are definitely better than Ola. Okay, so my understanding sa ganitong post is that, well, it's not impossible. Possible din naman that Maribank is cooking something up because nagiging uso na yung mga ganitong platforms ng mga banks. And what they're doing is that they're competing for our patronage. So, dapat pagandahan ng promo to, pagandahan ng product na to. And for someone like me, I'm sure makaka-relate kayo, kaya nga dito kayo sa channel ko, we're looking forward to products like this. Something that's better than Ola, but at the same time, hindi kasing higpit na mga loan products na ino-offer banks. For me, it's not gonna be something like a credit card, but rather an access card. Kasi itong si Maribank, meron na siyang debit card. Something that you can use kung gusto nyo mag-withdraw of money from a machine. Kung meron kayong mga savings account dyan kay Maribank, kasi bank naman siya with a digital platform and it has loan products like Maribank Credit. The card itself, yung perks of using that card here sa Philippines and abroad is really, I like it. I love those perks. But what's making me loyal dito kay Maribank is the loan product eh. Hindi ako magkakaroon or hindi ako tatagal dito kay Maribank kung wala akong Maribank credit. That's why gusto kong pag-usapan because gusto ko lang i-share yung opinion ko about this something to look forward to. So, sa pagkakaintindi ko, yung Maribank credit, yung card mo will evolve. Charot, evolve parang Pokemon, will transform or evolve into a dual purpose card na with that card, you can easily access your Maribank credit. Kind of what Salmon does with its Salmon credit. So, access card siya. Kasi pag credit card, iba na yon. And usually, credit cards offer lower interest kaysa sa mga ganito eh. So, para siyang si access card that with that plastic thing, pwedeng you can use your Maribank credit without having to go into the app. Kind of like, there was one time na walang installment ino-offer yung isang place kung saan bumili ako ng running shoes. Gusto ko sanang i-installment kasi pag installment, diba, 0% interest, mababa lang yung interest kapag sa credit card ka nag-installment, monthly payment split into, say, for 3, 4, 5, 6, ganon. Pero wala silang ganon sa terminal nila. So, straight payment lang sila. Kasi alam mo may ibang process kasi pag nai-installment eh. So, what I did was, with my credit card, pinaswipe ko yung binili kong sapatos. And through the Security Bank app, through the Security Bank app, dun ko kinonvert into installment yung purchase na yon. So, I think, ganito din, siguro yung magiging kung sakaling parang credit card man siya, parang ganito rin siguro yung magiging function nun. So, without, you have more flexibility on how you want to use that credit line. So, maybe initially, you're gonna follow your billing cycle, or you may have the ability to convert it into installments. This is true if this is what they're planning to do with the Maribank card or whatnot, or kung magkakaroon man sila ng separate na credit card yung product, because everything is just, I think it's just speculative as of right now. Para siyang chismis, or maybe it is in its testing period or beta stage pa lang. Nag-Reddit ako guys, and I could not find anything solid about this. But either way, it's something to look forward to. Yeah, yes, I still love Maribank because of the Maribank credit na meron ako. Maribank used to be Cbank. And naging si Maribank siya. And Cbank pa siya nung nagkaroon ako ng Cbank credit where when I got the invite and nung inactivate ko siya, I got a credit limit. Na-approve ako sa 20,000 pesos. And then after a year, Maribank na siya nun, nag-increase siya to 40,000 pesos. And I love using this product because yung interest niya, yung effective interest rate niya, at least in my account, is 4.95. It's not the best rate, okay? Because mas magaling pa rin yung mga credit card when it comes to rate. But not everybody is eligible for a credit card. Not everybody is eligible for a personal loan from traditional banks. And this is where these banks, na mga bagong banks na to come in. Hindi sila kasing strict. They may be strict because all applications are still subject to your to individual credit assessment, but at least they give us, they're not at least mas may chance tayo dito, di ba? Or pwede natin silang gamitin as stepping stone. So speaking of Maribank credit, now I have a 40,000 pesos na credit limit kay Maribank na kung i-claim ko siya, I have options like 3 months to 12 months para bayaran siya. So, and kung longer terms, may mga ino-offer pa siyang reduced interest rates. But of course, you choose a term na komportable ka, na swak sa budget. And remember that the sooner you pay your loan, nakakatipid kayo ng interest. So, shorter term, medyo masakit yung babayaran mo monthly, pero nakakatipid ka sa interest. Or longer term, like 12 months, although parang maliit yung babayaran mo, but well, doon naman siya babawi sa interest na mababayaran mo. So, sa kabuuang interest, so, medyo lugi ka rin doon. Pero depende na yan sa'yo. Kasi depende na yan sa kung anong mahahandle mo eh. So, whether totoo man na magkakaroon siya ng dual purpose card na yan or standalone credit card or whatnot, or tataasan man niya yung credit limit. Kasi doon sa screenshot, 200, 300, parang laking credit limit ah. And merong mga nagsasabi sa Reddit na parang bakit bawas pa rin. So, there's no clear information about this one yet. But regardless of that, at least maganda to because Maribank has Maribank credit. Yun nga lang, you have to follow your schedule and you have to complete that loan bago siya mabalik sa credit limit mo. But if you have loans, credit limit na remaining, pwede mo pa siyang gamitin for future use if meron pa. So, pwedeng multiple loans na sabay-sabay. Basta kaya lang ng credit limit. Either way, meron na siyang Maribank credit that's convenient, fairly convenient. Pero kung magkakaroon siya ng access card, I'm not gonna call it a credit card. Para sa akin ha, opinion ko lang to. I'm not gonna call it a credit card or I don't see it as a credit card, but rather, kung magkakaroon siya ng access card, that would be added convenience, which I think makes it better than Salmon Credit. Kasi kay Salmon Credit, 9% eh. Although merong si Salmon Credit na it's zero interest if you pay it in 30 days or 45 days. Pero, 9%, at least kay Maribank, it's 4.95 effective, di ba? So, maganda if magkakaroon siya ng access card like Salmon Credit. So, I would think that it's gonna be like Salmon Credit, yung Salmon na card, which is an access card, not a credit card. But, as mentioned, right now, it's speculative. Chismis. And therefore, sinishare ko lang yung aking opinion. And just so you know, I love using Maribank. Personal opinion ko na to ha. Because of the perks na the cashback, the perks, yung ease of use niya kapag overseas transactions, yung added security features na that with your card you can turn off, turn on anytime para walang unauthorized access. It would be a good addition to its features kung magkakaroon siya ng access card. But right now, it's, I think, siguro beta testing. And kaya nga guys, kung merong other updates, I'd be more than happy to share. And kung hindi pa kayo subscribe dito sa channel, subscribe na kayo. Because marami kayong masasagap na mga ganitong klaseng balita for my channel. And by the way guys, I have a product link to this shirt which nabili ko sa Shopee. This is from Levi's and share ko lang yung link in case you guys are interested with this shirt as well. check out nyo na. Kung bet nyo yung shirt ko, check out nyo. And if you also like this industrial lamp here at the back, para pang aesthetic feels, meron din akong product. Yun lang po yung share ko sa video na to. Dito po tayo nagtatapos. Kung meron kayong mga loan platforms na gustong isuggest, please put it in the comment section para masilip natin. Or kung naghahanap kayo ng ibang platforms na pwedeng utangan in case wala pa kayo Maribank credit, you can check the list of legit loan apps playlist by Ate Red over here kasi baka andun yung loan app na magugustahan nyo. Kung meron kayong questions, suggestions, wag lang violent reactions ha. Feel free to express it in the comment section and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!